Hi, I'm part of a group of magnet fishermen.
All right, guys, we're back. We are having a special day today, meeting up with the Michigan Magnet Man, Rustic Treasure Hunters. We are all meeting up today and seeing if we can find some good stuff. Hopefully weather holds up. We're already seeing some snow, some moisture, so hopefully we don't get froze out. Let's see what we can do. All right, you ready to try this?
Yep.
Let me tie it on so we don't lose it.
This is the most excited I've ever been. I feel like I'm actually gonna catch something.
Well, hopefully. All right.
That was kind of
All right, buddy, go ahead and pull it up.
magnet fisher. I feel like a popular probably could be just
There we got cousin Chris. We got Michigan Magnet Man. And we are just waiting on Rustic Treasure Hunters right now.
I just felt something, but it was moving. What was that? There's definitely things in there, but I don't know what it is. Oh, it's getting heavier.
Oh, you...
Oh,
Wait, is that...
something down there.
You got something there? You got something, dude.
I got something!
You got something.
Yay! Oh, there's like
If we don't lose it. Yeah, I see a railroad spike. Careful, if we go too fast, we're gonna lose it.
What a sight.
It's buried under something. Because I can't even move it this way. Move this bucket back. It'll go good with my rake I recently got.
There you go. Get all the garden tools.
You got a railroad spike, buddy. Look at that.
I knew I had to catch something here.
Good job.
This is the magic place to magnet fish.
Good job, buddy. Up, I see the Rustic Treasure Hunters.
I can't believe we caught this.
It's your lucky railroad spike.
Yep.
How's it going?
How's it going? Fishing anything?
I just caught a railroad spike.
Oh yeah, that's common. How's it going? This is my son Lachlan.
Nice to meet you.
Michigan
Lachlan.
Magnet Man. Tanner, have you watched him?
Watched all your videos too.
I'm Rusty Spike videos.
Rusty's bad. Seen those ones too.
Whoa, dude. Dude, are you serious? Serious. He tried to toss it over and didn't even make it into the water. I didn't even notice that wall.
Yeah, he's stuck on there.
Oop. Nice. Oh, thank you, sir.
No problem.
Yeah, there's a metal wall right here. Well, got our old fishing hook. Hopefully it wasn't that guy's. Let's make sure we see where his bobber is. Oh look, they caught a fish. See it? Okay, let's get out of their way. No, you're good.
There's definitely something there.
It's like filming a nature documentary. You got anything?
Oh, there was something.
That's a stick. Actually, I think you got a little something on there. I don't know what it is. What'd you get? Some sort of scrap? Some sort of scrap or something. Oh, they caught their fish. Look how big that fish is. That's awesome. Oh, and then they put it back. I think I got something. Yep. Rebar. Oh, we got some rebar and a big old nail. How about that?
I'm gonna show the rest of the. Oh, we got contact there too.
There. There's something on here. There. What do we got now? Looks like just some more weird,
like some scrap.
some weird stuff.
Wow. I definitely caught something.
That feels heavy. What did you get, dude?
I have no. Yeah. Whoa.
More rebar. Look at that, buddy. Put it in the bucket.
I want to show.
Looks like a nail.
Wow. That's cool. I'm
Yeah.
gonna get this. Whoa.
What is that?
Scrap.
Yeah. There you go, buddy. Good job. Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
Get it.
My arm hurt for that, but it was worth it.
Show the camera what you got. Oops.
Like some more scrap. I caught what? I don't know.
Do you? I think I'm all right. Well, I'm just helping him right now. I appreciate it though.
Got some circle donut thing, metal.
Nice.
And some. I actually don't know what that is.
I don't know.
Maybe it's like a small rebound. I got something.
You got a bottle cap.
Why is it so heavy?
Because the magnet's heavy.
Got like maybe wire or two. I got something. I got bottle cap.
Let's see.
What kind of brand is it?
Bud Light.
Nice.
And this is actually part of a fish hook, I believe.
Oh yeah. It's just to prove magnet fishing.
Hey. I got a net. And a hook. All right. Yep. Wow, they just pulled up this handicap chair. Nice.
There we go.
Can you still sit down?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Brakes look like they still might even work.
Yeah, oh man, that's cool.
A little bit.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Holy crap! Oh, dude! No way! That is so
What?
cool.
What?
Look at that.
There's no mag in it.
Trico arms. I don't know. Sounds like cheap, whatever. Dang.
Oh, yes, dude.
It's not even that bad. Yes. What is it? Is it tape? What is that in it? Yeah, it's part of a.
But is it legit or
Is
is
it
it
an airsoft or is it a? I can't tell. Hold on.
with the red on it? It makes me
It's
wonder.
Nope, that's a 9. Can I see it for 1 second? I know you're gonna. Matt just got this. Might have been the throw I just threw out because I'm pretty lucky, but no, it's okay. That is awesome. Let me see that for a second. It's like a 9 mil.
I mean, there's no. It's still hard
Yeah.
to tell, but
Yeah,
somebody put tape around the grip. It's missing the grip on this side. This thing, whatever it is, it's kind of
It's camouflage.
janky, but
Yeah. Lock, go get my phone over there, could you?
You gonna
It's
call
by
the
the
cops?
plastic bag.
oh, we calling the police?
I think we should.
Yeah, why not?
So,
Be nice to
no,
get
I
it
was
on.
just gonna
I think it'd be.
look it up to see if it's a.
Brico.
Yeah,
So how many?
do that. It's so
How many is that?
That's 4.
That
Oh.
Rustic treasure hunters and friends have recovered? 4.
4 with, well, 4 with ours, 3, so.
There's no telling what this thing's done. I mean,
Look at that, guys. That's what
Wow.
we like to do, find some rustic treasures and handguns. Nice job, Matt.
okay.
Nice job.
Congrats.
Hi, I'm part of a group of magnet fishermen, and we're down in 6th Street Park, and we found a handgun with our magnet. And it has a visible. Yep, 6th Street Park, by the pavilion.
Okay, and it was just the handgun that you had found?
Yes, a good friend of mine found it.
Okay, I'll have an officer over there as soon as I can speak with you, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
All right, guys. Exciting find by one of the guys that came down with us in the group. We're now waiting for the police to come check out this handgun that was just found.
How you doing, sir?
Claiming it, if that's
Yeah,
okay.
but
Okay.
I'll just see. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to hear.
Sir, I mean, what we've handed a handgun in before to you guys. I didn't know. Is there any way to get it back for like a wall hanger?
You'd have to contact the department.
Appreciate it.
It would be kind of a cool wall hanger.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll secure this quick and then
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I'll get your report number.
right, so the police are leaving. They did take the handgun with them, and he's gonna get their information. Hopefully they can get it back. All right, everyone, I'm out. See you guys. Nice meeting everybody. Merry Christmas. You too. Oh, has that music seriously been going the whole time?
I don't think so.
I think it has, otherwise why would it have just started and then stopped?
Crap.
Alright, so this is what we found today.
Got like these skinny like metal bars that we found. There's this bigger one, and then there's all of these like smaller ones.
Yep, and then the spring that we picked up off the ground.
Yeah, apparently there is a little snail shell in there too that was stuck. We got rebar, pretty nice. The bottle cap that I pulled up says Bud Light on it. More rebar that I pulled up. I don't really know what this is.
It's some sort of washer, I think.
Yeah. And then we
This
got,
was really heavy.
yeah, that was hard to pull up. And then
So, where did this come from?
Lachlan gave me that. And then we got 2 nails. And then last of all, last but not least, trusty railroad spike.
Alright. Alright, now we are actually going to be ending the contest early. We are going to be going live Wednesday, December 30th at 6 p.m. So if you want to win that, all you got to do is go over to that other video. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you're subscribed. Enter in the comments, I want my PBC. Alright, and then
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss another video, and we'll see you in the next one.